I have no idea why some of you are asking me for a makeup look, but when you ask, I answer, so here we are. Hi people, my name is Mutombo and this is a get ready with me video. I'm doing my makeup today because my friends convinced me to join the Don't Rush challenge. At first I thought it was just too much effort, but then again I think everything is too much effort, so I decided not to miss out. Is God not good? Look at the way he has healed this face that was ridden with eczema. So I used to like my brows with a very large arc. Like I used to like when it arcs like that, but now I just like straight brows. I'm going to pop my avatar on the screen, and do you see the way this girl's brows are? That's exactly how I love my brows. I'm using this pencil and it's just a simple ordinary brow pencil. I don't even know what this brand is. Brow products are some of those items that I don't see why I should spend a lot of my money on. Just get a cheap brow pencil, some concealer, and keep it pushing. I've recently been considering trying a brow gel, but I really cannot justify buying brow gel when I have a brow pencil. So guys, I don't mean to sound insensitive, but I'm actually tired of consuming content about CV19. I don't know if it's just me, but the sheer amount of videos and pictures and theories, messages, rampant messages that are sent to my phone regarding this virus is overwhelming, and half of it is unverified information. People are so irresponsible with the information that they are putting out there, and honestly, I'm over it. I guess what I'm just trying to say is that apart from the news highlights, I can't consume any more CV related content. It's not good for me here, especially these messages that have been forwarded from left, right, front, center. I like to do my eyeshadow before my foundation or whatever I'm using as my base. So I'm going to do a gold and blue look. I have no idea how this thing is supposed to come out in the end, but let's just see. Do you know the thing? The thing is I have hooded eyelids. So when I put on my eyeshadow, the eyelids just come and slip on top of the eyeshadow like that and just hide everything. Like, see, this is what I'm talking about. All this extra meat, you know? When I close my eyes, this is what you see. When I open my eyes, is that fair? Hi! Look at boing, 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 boing. I think I need to set the concealer that I put above, so I'm going to go in with my brush in my powder and take some of that powder and set all of this. This looks more natural. Oh my god. Alright, now I'm just going to take my hand, get into that gold goodness. When I'm taking pictures, I have to really raise my brows and really just... So is this gold too much? If you said yes, you are wrong. There is no such thing as too much gold. I really have to hurry up with this thing because I am running out of time. At the rate at which I'm going, So I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade golden. I don't know who I think I am putting on my foundation with my hands. I was trying to be like, do you guys know Sandra Deluxe? She is super talented when it comes to this whole makeup thing, and anyway, my whole point is that she does almost everything with her hands. She hardly ever uses a makeup brush except maybe for eyeshadow, but everything else she does with her hands. I'm going to take this clean beauty sponge and soak it in water. Just give me a second. And then I'll use that to blend. Not bad at all. Alright, I've rubbed my concealer brush in some of my foundation to clean the top of my eyebrows. I'm going to go back again and use my concealer to brighten under my eyes. See the difference? Do you see the difference? At this point, it seems the only logical thing to do is to put powder over this. Again, I'm going to go with a clean brush into my MAC Studio Fix powder. I need a replacement for this. I need a new one. Oh goodness, as I'm putting on this powder, I just remember the video that I watched yesterday. I watched Laifa Beauty's video where she did makeup on Chioma from Skinny Girl in Transit, the girl who played Wosi. The way Laifa was blending that girl's contour, I was like, nah, you need to have done some wrist workout, because she was just going like this. And then they were just discussing it. If I blend that hard, I won't be able to even talk. I won't be able to do any other thing, because like concentration. Even just filming this video and doing my simple makeup, I'm just like, I keep pausing and then forgetting that I was actually saying something. See, should I just disturb the internet and put on red lipstick? I want to lay my edges. Let's do that before we continue. This hair that grows in my face, I really don't understand it. Like, what was the reason? Honestly, if you want to lay your edges without having to relax your hair, this gel is what will do it for you. Alright, now that we have the edges out of the way, I'm going to line my lips with this brown liner that I got back in Cameroon. I think I should take off some of this lip balm. What? Is that not how you take off your lip balm? How else do you take off lip balm? Okay, hear me out. I'm going for a nude lip color, but I don't have any nude lipstick. So I'm going to use my Fit Me concealer. Okay, I'll not put that directly on my lips because it's just unsanitary. Let's use this. Hey, vous êtes jolie, 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 oh. Wonderful. Okay, it's a bit orange, but I think it's fine. It's fine. Next, I'm going to go with this lip gloss from Essence. It's just a transparent lip gloss. My philosophy with lip color is this: if it's light, go glossy. If it's dark, go matte. And that is just the only way I do my makeup. You'll never see me with a dark glossy lip on my lips, but you might see me with a matte light lip. Yeah, I think this ties everything together, especially with the fact that I used concealer instead of lipstick. Okay, I almost forgot about the rest of my eye look. Alright, I think I messed this one up. I'm using this concealer to just clean that up. This is the mascara I'm going to use. It's good and it's cheap. The trick that I use when putting my mascara to prevent it from staining my eyeshadow above is to use a card. So I'll just take this card and position it behind my eyelashes, like so. So you'll see. I think that's that for my makeup, okay? Let me just change out my earrings. Alright people, so this is the complete thing. I'm just wearing my jean jacket with nothing inside. This is the look. These are the earrings that I wore. I actually wear these earrings all the time. Alright, so I think I did pretty well. I'm really loving the way this thing came out. The sun is already going down, so I'm going to wrap it up here. It's nice to do these things once in a while, just glam up and sit at home with nowhere to go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed doing this makeup with you, and you know, just talking about something that's not very serious for a change, a light-hearted discussion just to lift your spirits. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, I already said that. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you are new. Please, please, please. So I'll catch you guys in a new video next Sunday. Take care. Yeah, maybe let's just use orange. Okay, baby? Okay?